In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect positive or negative text with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So if you're dealing with a large set of data, in this example, we're going to be dealing with feedbacks from customers who have purchased some of our products. Now, let's say you're dealing with 1,000 feedbacks and you just want to break down whether you have a majority of good feedback or bad feedback. What we're going to do is to use the help of Gemini to break all these feedbacks down and give us the results of whether that's going to be a positive, negative, or neutral feedback. So how do we do this? Well, first select the cell where you want to start, then go to Gemini right here in the menu bar and just select Analyze Sentiment of Text. Once we click on this, it will automatically add a new column to your table and start up your AI formula. So what is our AI formula? Well, this is basically it. We have categorized the sentiment by only one of the following. So that's going to be either positive, negative, or neutral. Now, if you don't want the neutral to be part of the sentiment, you can simply delete that right here. There we go. Put in your quotation marks, comma, and select the cell reference where you want to start with. And now it's going to generate an insert and have a new sentiment, which is either just positive or negative. In this case, the neutral became negative. Now to fill in the rest of our data, because again, we don't have time to read all of these feedback and break down whether they are positive or negative, what we're going to do is to just drag this formula down like so, allow the AI to categorize or break down each feedback to either positive or negative. And there we have it. So basically, we do have a lot of negatives right here. There's probably something wrong with how we're doing the sales or the price or the quality of the products and so on. So that's how you can detect positive and negative text by using the Analyze the Sentiment of Text with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now, this video is part of my Gemini series where I teach you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.